Good afternoon and welcome to Holidog Express. My name is David and I will be your train conductor as we journey through Mother Goose land to visit some of Holidog's friends. As our journey begins, I would like to direct your attention to both sides of the track. On your left is Peter the Pumpkin Eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell and there he kept her very well. To your right is Little Miss Muffet and the ugly spider that frightened her away. Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty back together again. And here we see Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf on their way to Grandmother's house. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating his Christmas pie. He stuck in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "Oh, what a good boy am I." Tom, the piper's son, stole a pig and away he runs. Little Bo Peep has lost their sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Fee-fi-fo-fum. Here we see Jack climbing the beanstalk to find the harp and the goose that lays the golden egg. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children she didn't know what to do. So she gave them some broth without any bread, spanked them all soundly, and sent them to bed. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep from the meadow, the cows in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep. As our journey comes to an end, we do ask that everyone please remain seated until the train is come to complete stop inside the train station. We hope you've enjoyed our journey through Mother Goose land, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at the Holiday World Splashin Safari.